Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to power of log of 4 plus 4 to power of log of x is equal to 32 to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by x to power of log 4. In here, as you know, x to power of log 4, we can write log 4 as log 4 to base 10, right? This is equal to this. And from log rules, if we have log of a to base b, we can write this as log of a to base c over log of b to base c, right? So, in here, we can write log 4 to base 10 as x to power of log of 4 to base x over log of 10 to base x, right? So, it will be x, in here we have x to power of log of 4 to base x over log of 10 to base x, and we can write this as log of x to power of log of 4 to base x bracket to power of 1 over log of 10 to base x, right? So, in here, we have log of x to power of log of 4 to base x. And from log rules, if we have a to power of log of b to base a, this is equal to b. So, in here, x to power of log of 4 to base x, and this is equal to 4, right? So, 4, this is 4, to power of this, 1 over log of 10 to base x. And from log rules, 1 over log of 10 to base x is equal to log of x to base 10. And this is equal to log of x, right? So in here, we write this as 4 to power of log of x. So from here, x to power of log of 4 is equal to this. So we write x to power of log of 4 is equal to 4 to power of log of x. So, from here, we rewrite this equation, and it will be in here we have x to power of log of 4. So we write x to power of log of 4, and this is x to power of log of 4 is equal to 4 to power of log of x. So we write 4 to power of log of x plus, in here we have 4 to power of log of x, so plus 4 to power of log of x is equal to 32. So, in here, this is 4 to power of log of x is common, so we factor 4 to power of log of x, and it will be this divided by this is 1, and this divided by this is 1, is equal to 32. So, it will be 4 to power of log of x times 2 is equal to 32. And we divide both of this equation by 2, so this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. In here, this will cancel this, and it will be 4 to power of log of x is equal to 32 over 2, it will be 16. And 16, we can write this as 4 to power of 2, right? So, in here, this is equal to this, and base is common. So, these powers should be equal, right? So, log of x is equal to 2. So, we write in here, log of x is equal to 2. And from log rules, if we have log of a to base b is equal to c, in here, a is equal to b to power of c, right? So, in here, log of x is equal to log of x to base 10, right? So, from here, x is equal to 10 to power of 2. So, 10 to power of 2, and this is equal to 100. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.